The VSDINSIDE VSD M18 macro keypad has been getting a lot of attention, but is it really worth considering? In this video, we'll explore its features and performance to help you decide. Check the description for more information. Let's begin. This thing's a game changer if you're juggling too many shortcuts. It's VSDINSIDE's macro keypad with 18 programmable keys, 15 LCD visuals plus 3 physical buttons. Flip a switch and your whole workflow lights up with custom GIFs, macros, and one-tap scene changes. RGB ring pulses to your vibe, works smooth with OBS, Photoshop, you name it. Solid build, built-in plugins like clock and weather, no extra apps needed. Worth it? Absolutely, if you live on your keyboard. Hit like if this helps your setup, drop a comment below, and grab yours now. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.